Hi, I'm Jessica Strick. I'm an exhibit developer. I've been here for almost 23 years. I knew I wanted to work in the shop when I first started working at the Exploratorium, and the way I got involved was by looking for help from somebody in the shop to help me know how to make a CD case. It's hard to say what a typical day is because one of the joys of this job is that there's a lot of variety. My favorite tool in the shop is the laser cutter. I use it to make exhibit parts, but I also use it to make templates to make exhibit parts. It's really useful and it's really easy. I would say the hardest and the best part of my job is coming up with new ideas. As an exhibit developer, I'm doing all phases of the project, from research to building to maintaining it. There's a lot of variety. Visitors might be surprised to know that exhibit developers not only just come up with the ideas, but build them and also maintain them. Everybody is out on the shop fixing their exhibits. We get sometimes school groups who want to hear what I have to say about being a woman working in the shop, so that's really great. And I love that I could be visible to people on the floor who might have different expectations about who they think they would see in the shop. I have learned a lot about science since I got here, and I think that my advice is to be open-minded about what inspires you.